Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're still in Albufeira, but tonight we're going to go and check out Albufeira after dark. We're going to tour some of those pubs and clubs. So we're going to start by getting some food in the old town. We'll go around there, have a little look at the pubs and the restaurants and see what entertainment is in the old town. And then a little bit later we're going to go to the strip and we'll go from the top to the bottom and show you all the nightclubs around there. I doubt we're going to go on a booze cruise because I do have my kids with me and one is 2. But I'll show you all the clubs that you could go to if you come here as well. Come on, let's go.
Yo, it's a Jack's life, back to back on its roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
So the sun's just up at the moment. We're going to go find some dinner in a sec, but I thought I'd show you the famous escalators. And we've currently got the Minions and a Vicar. I think these lads are going to have a good night. Sure we'll be seeing them later.
Yeah, we can work.
And we found a good English pub to start in. The first beer of the night, I would say of the day, but I'd be lying. I'm up to about 10. But first beer of the night, here we go. Corona, lemons in, limes in. Fresh. Second stag do spotted. This one are darts players. One of them is called Mr. Loves My Sister, with another word. This first bar was a good starter pub. Felt a bit like an English pub, to be honest. And we're going to stroll up here now to the main sort of square and stop in a few places along route. You see the sun is just setting. Beautiful evening. Let's hope it's a good night ahead. Here you go, a bit lively up here. What we got? The Broadwalk pub, karaoke. Meat bar. Beer number 2. I just want to take a moment and thank this week's sponsor, Echo. Echo is a new way of doing social media by leaving your thoughts or echoes anonymously on a virtual map, allowing you to share what's on your mind without judgment or identity. So whether you're having a cheeky pint in the pub, or at home in the garden, or going for a stroll in the woods, You can leave an echo wherever you've been and also see exactly what's happening in the location as you arrive. Whether it's a happy moment, a random observation, a recommendation, or something you've been carrying all day, Echo gives it a place to exist. Echo allows you to see what others nearby are thinking, discover the mood of the area and connect through shared experiences. Thoughts are pinned at your location, stay on the map for 72 hours, but will then still be stored in the thought stream, keeping the map fresh. Share and bring your community together through the map. No profiles, just your thoughts and experiences. So scan the QR code on screen now and go and check out their website. Alternatively, go straight to your App Store or Play Store and download Echo today and start leaving your thoughts and experiences anonymously on Echo today. Stag do number 3. Stags are not dressed up, but the groom is in a dress. These two lads have got nicked. Nice bar here, 2 bars all together. So you got like an old style, kind of like a UK pub. Dart machine too. Hello. It's pretty cool. Good looking bar. And then there's a bigger pub next side. This is the old something pub. And then the underground pub is next door. But it's all one now. Beautiful. So we're coming here to eat because with dinner we get a free drink and free shots. So thumbs up. We've gone for a baby Guinness. Let's see how this goes. Shots have arrived, baby Guinnesses. Oh yeah. This lady's turned up with whistles and dick earrings. Huh? Oh yeah, thank you. Right. Good, thank you. Go to sleep in this bar, look at these seats. Of course they've got all the usual tack shops. This bar's got the comfy chairs too. Alright, thank you. Cheers, buddy. Right, so as you go around this corner to the left, you get to the main square. I think we're going to start off in this YOLO lounge there. Good, thank you, buddy. Thank you. First glimpse of the main square, but let's go for a drink in this YOLO. Right, we're actually going to sit downstairs because we've got a pram with us because it's such a riot of a night out. But I thought I'd show you upstairs. Level 1.
I like that.
Whoa, what we got now? Vodka lemonade. Cheers. Penis ladies found me. Hello. penises. Say hello. So there's a few more restaurants around here. It's Pampa's Steakhouse, and steak and pasta. What's this called? Bravo. A lot of rooftop terraces around here. Irish pub. This guy's selling some flying saucer. Central Station. Just to give you a good look at the place, here we go. Bar Sir Harry's pub. Vertigo, Central Station. Very lively. The Irish pub looks lovely. We'll have to check that out in a sec. Woo. Little shops, buy your trinkets and your souvenirs or your dog bones. Steakhouses, Rock Sports Bar. Braids and jewellery. Then this next one's called Tic Tac Bar. The lads are in here going hard. It is an interesting place, Albufeira, if you've never been. It is a good mix of a lively night out, but also kind of family friendly. There are lads out enjoying themselves, having a drink, but it's not like being in the Magaluf where there's sick on the floor and fights everywhere. The police are also very on it around here, so you can have a good time and stay safe. This Irish pub with pizza and pasta looks cool. And then this guy in the streets trying to sell something that flies in the air. He gets this bit and there's just streets and streets of bars, so very lively down here. Right, we've just got a taxi from the Old Town to the Strip, so we're going to give you a tour from top to bottom. We're just at the top here at Jinky's, the Irish bar. So at the top here there's a few pubs and restaurants, a bit lively. I'm alright, thanks mate. No. Here we go, we've got Sports Bar, King's Cross, Italian restaurant. So there is still a few shops at the top as well. You can get yourself an ice cream or some Pikachus, but mainly this bit is for having a bit of a beer. Found an alien. The first time I came to Albufeira, I stayed in a hotel just down there in that little cut through. Was not the greatest, but he was right on the Strip, so we had a grand old time. Up there, we'll go in this one. Oh yeah. Found ourselves a rooftop bar. You get a good view from up here. you do get good views of everywhere else. We got Blue Star over there, and we got Temple, the Irish bar. What's the crack? They're going hard in there. Down the bottom of the strip there, we get more nightclubs, so we'll venture down there in a sec. Just finish up our Coronas. Very good, man. Good fella. I'm not going to do much talking as we go down here because it kind of explains itself. Everyone can just have a look and see what sort of place you want to go to. Where it's Club Route 66 to Dublin. No. Zoo Club's a new one. I've never been there before. Good man. Good man. All right, thank you. Lavish club over here. We're good, thank you. Someone's passed out up the road up there. So the last time I was here was about 3 years ago, and there's lots and lots of new bars since then. In fact, I think my favourite bar has changed hands. This used to be called Cherries, and now it's called Club Universe. Great little club. Mambo, another new club since last time I was here. That was crazy. La Bamba. Matt's Bar is a famous bar in Albufeira. It's been here for years and years and years. Bit of a stag do going on there. Well, that's just how the lads dress, who knows. It is 2026. And then if you want a big club, this is the one. Albufeira 66. No, thank you, buddy. And then this place called the Meat House. It's a bit of a bar and grill these days, but it used to be more of a pub, and it's got a whole guitar bar. So a little bit quiet at this end. There is Club Tropicana, but it looks absolutely dead today. And there's a little sports bar up there. And then this road leads you down to the beach, and I don't think there's any more clubs down here other than this very quiet northwards. So that completes my tour here of Albufeira after dark. We've been around the old town, had some food, had some beers, and we now finish at the end of the strip. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you want to see more of my videos from here in Portugal, click the playlist up here. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, click here, click it now.